All right, so this is your DJ Mini drone, right? And you've got all these propellers and stuff flying around on it. So I'm going to show you guys the proper way to open up your DJ Mini drone. And, so you don't screw up your propellers and all your things on here. But if you look, you can see there's some directions here. So what you got to do is you're going to go to the top. That's the top. And you're going to push this one out. You see how that goes like that? And then you're going to come over to the other side and you're going to pop that baby out. So now this is what you got going on. Now if you flip it over and look, here's your bottom ones. So what you're going to do to get the bottom one out is you're going to push it this way. You see that? See how that goes? So it moves out. These go like this. You see that? So make sure that you understand that. Otherwise, you're going to be going like pulling on this, and you don't want to be doing that. What you want to do is you want to come under it here and kind of push it this way, and then it just pops up. Same on this side. Watch. See the action? All right, so that's how you're going to open up your, I guess you would call them your arms that connect to your props or your propellers. So yeah, that's it right there. DJ Mini. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I'll show you other things that you can do with this really cool drone. Peace out.